Hey, don't say no. It's your boy Sensei Glenn. You already know how I'm rocking. I'm about to react to Confusing Guy, how Cook Table. I did want to know him before. That nigga got about 13,000, whatever. But this nigga funny. If you don't know who this is, bro, you need to go look him up. On God. That bit, his name, Girl He Funny 44 on YouTube. But this junk is funny. I'm telling you. But I'm about to react to this right now. So we gonna get into this.
Hey,
We got a little reggae vibes going, a little reggae.
yo, you finna get confusing, guys. Come on, let's get it, yo. You feel me?
Got a speaker?
I'm understood but misunderstood. Smashing all these niggas' thoughts October 56. Turn off the lights so I can see, cause my hair can't even fit. It's too cold, I took my hoodie off, it's freezing in this bitch. And I need an education, so I'm dropping out of college. And I'm way too...
I don't know if y'all know, but this man never make no sense, bruh. But it's like he got bars, but they don't be making sense. Like it be the opposite of what he actually mean. That boy said I'm dropping out of college because I need an education. I might need to drop out of college. But we ain't gonna talk about that. Let's get back into this.
I'm about to hop inside the shop. I don't take pics cause I'm really not a baller. She said I'm short as fuck cause she seen me grow taller. The weather not the king, so how the fuck the clouds raining? My phone fully charged, so
Let me say don't say shit as fuck, but I need to go taller. Let me say how the clouds rain. This dude is funny, bro. Y'all just gotta listen. Y'all need to go watch his original video, bro. This junk is hilarious. Oh God, this nigga be having me dying.
think I need a charge. I don't take her nowhere, so why the fuck she say she take it? I just got a haircut, but I left it at the bar. She know I'm from America, she asked how much you making. My brain not in jail, but I got a brain cell. I pray I go to heaven, not for real. Like what?
That's what I'm talking about right there. That nigga said, my brain not in jail, but I got brain cells. Yeah, bro, if that went over y'all head, it's something wrong with y'all. My brain not in jail, but I got brain cells. That nigga hard, bro.
Ain't my butt nobody knows, so how the fuck my booty swell? I went to KFC just to eat some Taco Bell. I'm yelling at police cause I ain't even get my mail. I probably live with cops cause I'll be home before 12. My teacher not a
Nigga drinking olive oil?
and she always talking quiet. Why the fuck she gotta yell? I promise I won't snitch, but fuck it, I'ma tell. I just graduated college just to find out that I failed. I'm good at basketball, so now I'm in the NFL. My job not in the C, so why the fuck they paying well? My brother black as shit, he just joined the KKK. I got 3 S's and they all like 8. They say I'm on the come up, but I don't masturbate. My lemons having sex, so now they got lemonade.
This nigga hilarious. He is hilarious, bro. On me. That nigga said, my brother black as hell, he just joined the KKK. That nigga gonna get real quick. But shoot, that junk funny, bro. Oh God, that nigga funny, bro. Oh me. Y'all need to check this man out. Y'all sleeping on him, bro. This man only got 14K views on that. Bro, y'all sleeping on this man, bro. Oh me. Y'all need to go check this man out right now. Click the link in the description to his original video. Go check out his channel, bro. On me, bro. That nigga funny. That nigga, he blew me when he turned up that olive oil, whatever that was, bro. That nigga blew me, bro. No homo, though. That sounded gay. I ain't with that gay shit. No. Oh, bro, y'all need to check him out. I'm gonna link his thing down in the description. Check him out. Like this video, comment on this video, bro. This man's funny. Funny. I'm gonna also put his Instagram in here in the description. Go follow him, bro. On me. Yeah. It's your boy Sensei Ugly, and you already know how we rocking. I'm out.